Nanguna sa opening ceremony ng FIVB Men's Volleyball World Championships 2025 si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. kasama si Philippine Sports Commission Chairperson Patrick Gregorio Kamakalawa sa Mall of Asia Arena sa lungsod ng Pasay. Sa opening game, natalo ang Pilipinas sa bansang Tunisia. Ayon sa pambansang kupunan, mas paigihin nila sa September 16 araw ng Martes kung saan magkakatapat nila ang bansang Egypt. Matatandaang itinalaga ng Pangulo ang bunsong anak na si Vincent Marcos bilang co-chair ng Local Organizing Committee. Katuwang ng Presidential Son sa pag-organize ng event si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano bilang Chairman Emeritus ng Philippine National Volleyball Federation. Itang unang pagkakataon na nagsilbing host ang Pilipinas sa prestihiyosong tournament na lalokan ng 32 national teams. Tiwala si Marcos na magbubukas ng pintuan ng sports events sa bansa para makuha ang oportunidad na mas lumakas pa ang turismo. Isang pagkakataon din ito para maipamalas sa buong mundo ang galing ng mga Pilipino pagdating sa hospitality sa pandaigdigang entablado.
Yeah, like you said, this was a lot of preparations, and it's not easy to be at the world stage. So you gotta hand it to everyone who contributed to this. Of course, our own local volleyball NSC had the big, was the proponent here, and then there's private sector support, there's government support, there's NGO support, and then there's the fans. So everybody made this happen. But actually, at the moment that you're interviewing me now, we're up. I couldn't even get away kasi in the third set, ang ganda ng laban ng Philippines. We gotta admit, in many sports, the Philippines is still trailing, not just in volleyball, but in many sports in the global scene. So it's really always a good opportunity when our players can compete. And when we host it, of course, there's that push. I think in the beginning, there's that pressure kasi the whole country, your kababayans are watching you. But then later on, when they warm up, you could see, I think that they can now turn that into an inspiration sa napapalaban sila. But yeah, we just have to keep on providing the support and the support, the facilities, grassroots training, everything goes into preparing our young people for the opportunity to represent their country. Well, moving forward, when you have other sports looking at what's happening in the Philippines, they'll realize that in the span of 1 year, we've hosted major international events. We had basketball a year ago, and then we have volleyball now. And of course, there's a lot of other sports that we're hosting regional championships, Asian championships. So it sends a good message. And I'm always a believer in sports tourism. I think it's a good economic driver. It will also help promote our tourism on its own, promote the economy, and promote the local culture. Some of these events are also held outside of Metro Manila, so which is also good. So walang katalo-talo talaga eh. Talagang, come on guys, let's just do more sports. So mga kababayan, halika na, mag-support tayo sa pag-host natin ng international event, volleyball at that. And our own Philippine team is playing, but it's also opportunity to see the world's best, from Asia, nandiyan ang Japan, and then nandiyan ang US, nandiyan ang mga South American countries like Brazil, no? Yan yung mga chin-cheer ng todo kanina nung pinapakilala, di ba? Si Brazil, si Japan, si South Korea, of course, ang US, of course, ang Philippine team natin. So, halika na. There's going to be a lot of opportunities. May umaga, yung makatulad ko na may pasok. After 5 pa ako makakapunta, baka 6. Pero, well, it so happens yung Senate, malapit lang naman sa MOA. So, but yun, tas yung medyo malapit sa Quezon City, sa Araneta naman, di ba? So, there's lots of opportunities to watch everybody. So, come on, 2 weeks ito.